So we want to start playing with Arduino straight away. We'll give further introduction as the weeks go by, but today is just a simple hello world. So if you bring up your breadboard, you can search for Arduino and it will bring up the Arduino Uno. So basically on the Arduino Uno is an Atmel chip. So the connection on here represents obviously your the power connection to the computer if you had a physical Arduino connected, and also I'll move things around a little bit. So this is the actual microcontroller. Microcontroller means you have both the processor and memory and the input and output logic on the same chip. On the board, you've got analog pins you can control. You've got 5 volts. So what we can do is start by connecting the 5 volts to the board. You basically click in there and keep clicking around. So if you click the wire, you can change the color of the wire by simply highlighting in there. And then obviously, if there's a voltage source, you need to also provide a ground. So if we click on the GND, that's the ground. So you click there once, and then you create the bendy connection. And I can go around. It doesn't have to be exact like mine anyway. Ground common convention, we will be making the ground wire black. So each of these pins on here, you can manipulate the voltage going in or coming out of it. And obviously, they take different signals. The tilde on them means it can have pulse width modulation. Pulse width modulation that we use to mimic analog signals. So basically, you vary the amount of time that voltage stay on in the cycle. So if it goes really quickly, it appears as if you can have a wide, from 0 to 255, a wide range of analog signals. By what we mean by analog signal, it means that the signal is continuous. How do I move the breadboard on the screen? I haven't seen it though. So if you want to move the breadboard, you can just basically drag and drop in an area around. If you want to find breadboard and you can't actually find it, simply go to the search window here and you type the name. Like I typed Arduino, basically you type breadboard. As soon as you type bread, it will come up and then you pick whichever one that you want.